Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to the video session of Cantor Publisher. Students, today we will learn Mathematics 1, Chapter 3, Lecture number 2. For this purpose, you must have these three books: textbook for grade 1, workbook and resource pack. We will use main content from the textbook, but the content relevant to our today's lesson from workbook, and the resource pack is for the guidance of your parents and teachers. There is complete methodology given in this resource pack that how to teach you through activities and real life examples. This resource pack can be downloaded from our official website. Now come to the book. Students, Unit 3, this is about measurement of length and mass. In our previous lecture, we have started topic 3.1, comparison of objects. In that lesson, we have discussed about long, longer and longest. We compared different lengths of the objects like these candles, because this is a long and this is the longer and this is the longest one. Students, now come to our today's topic. Our today's topic is comparison of objects part 2. Part 2 means this is our second lecture on this topic. We will discuss only one SLO. SLO means student learning outcomes: short, shorter and shortest. Now come to the page number 57. Students, in part A, example, look at the given chains. The largest chain which we have, we call it short. The chain smaller than the largest chain, that is called shorter, but greater than the smallest chain. So, according to the length. So, at the end, the smallest chain, smallest mean according to length, that is called shortest chain. Similarly, you can observe objects in your surroundings. You can compare your fingers and identify which is your shortest finger and which is your shorter and which is your short finger. Similarly, look at example B. Read the statement carefully. Fill red color in short. Short means the longest object is called short in among all the given objects. Look at all the hockeys, which is the longest, that will be called short. This is short. Yellow color in shorter. The middle object according to the length, that is called shorter. So you should color this hockey in yellow. Similarly, color the brown, that is shortest. This one is shortest. Similarly, observe in part B. Observe all the objects and color them accordingly. Students, now come to the workbook. Page number 40. This is your home task. Question 3. Pick the shortest caterpillar. Observe all the caterpillars in the given picture at the workbook page 40. So, which one is the shortest? The smallest caterpillar according to the length is called shortest caterpillar. So, you have to tick here in the given space. This is our shortest caterpillar. So, complete this homework on your workbook. Students, what we have done today, our today's topic was comparison of objects part 2, short. We have discussed only one SLO, short, shorter, shortest. Students, I hope you understand today's lesson. If you have questions and suggestions, please write us at mathematics@cantorpublisher.com. Thank you very much. Inshallah, we will see in our next class with new lesson. Allah Hafiz.